This is how to fix sponsor blocked merchant on Cash App. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and head on over to the App Store on iPhone. Head on over to search, look up the Cash App, and make sure to update and install the Cash App. Once you have the app updated and installed, you go ahead and open it up and sign in with all your information. Once you've successfully signed in and you add a certain amount of money in and you try to send some money or try to receive it and that message comes up about the merchant, don't worry, this is how to fix it. The first thing we want to do is go in the top right to the profile. We're going to scroll all the way down until we see support right here, and we're going to click on that. On the support page, we'll scroll all the way down to where it says under contact us to chat. And as you can see, I've already contacted them before and they have responded. Here you will say, hey, you say something along the lines of, hey, is it possible to have the merchant unblocked from my account? Send it, and you should begin contact with Cash App support team. You'll first be introduced to a bot, and then you continue to try until you get an actual person on the phone. Or the bot could help as well, just in general. As you can see, I asked him, and he said, describe the issue in more detail. So yeah, that is how to fix sponsor block this merchant on Cash App.